bugger, is that one of the MS 170s?
Yeah, it is. Do you want to hear a fighter?
Yeah, get on then.
Proper power.
Right, so we've got a bit of a fun morning. We're going to pop down to local sawmills. We've got the 881 and the 880 in the back of the truck. Me and Ryan are going to give them a bit of a go, see what it's all about. So yeah, we'll be down there in a minute and we'll see what we can do.
Let's create some man glitter.
Yeah. Morning all, Josh here from Hayes Machinery. Got my colleague Ryan here. Got a real treat in store for you this morning. We've come down to local sawmills and we've got some nice bits of timber here to put the 881 through. This is the new MS 881 from STIHL, the world's most powerful chainsaw on the market currently. All 36 inches of it here. And we have got the older generation, the 880, which used to be the most powerful chainsaw on the market, which is currently out of production now, and this is the new equivalent. So as I'm the sales director, and obviously I sell these, I get to use this one. And Ryan's got the old girl down there. So yeah, you happy with that, Ryan?
Yeah,
yeah,
ways
brilliant.
against each other.
Yeah,
Good to
that's
see how
it.
they go.
Yeah, oldie against the newie. And yeah, let's not beat about the bush. Let's give it a go.
Right, we've got some really good wood here to start putting these big saws through the paces. Right over there.
It's all right, that, isn't it? There we go. For a bit of kit, that, isn't it?
That's a 5.5, that, isn't it?
went 36 inches deep. There she blows. There we go, right? What do you make of that, mate?
Yeah, very good. I mean, hell of a bit of kit.
I mean, I suppose the largest saw I've used before is the MS 660. That's about 90cc. This is obviously nearly quarter of the power more, about 120, and it is absolutely phenomenal. It is a great bit of kit. Obviously, you know, the size of wood we've been putting it through, you know, the wood is actually larger than the bar length anyway, so we've had to cut from both sides, but yeah, cracking bit of kit. But yeah, what's your opinion then, Ron?
No, it's nice bit of kit to use. The 880, well, same sort of power on it, but I found it's a lot more vibration on the 880 compared to the 881.
The other thing we did notice was fuel consumption.
Definitely,
You know, we've done what, 1 and a bit rings with the MS 880. Used nearly half a tank of fuel in there. You know, we've been running it on the motor mix, which would be quite expensive to run it on. But the 881, we've done a couple bore cuts, 3 or 4 rings of, you know, this large bit of beach, and it's used about half a tank of fuel. So fuel consumption-wise, so much better.
Yeah, that's
it's a new generation engine. You know, they're fundamentally the same engine, but this is what they call a 2-mix engine. So it's the way the fuel is swirled inside the engine, more fuel efficient, and that's why they've been able to bring this one to market. The reason they can't now bring this into the European market is because it just doesn't meet the fuel emission regulations. So, you know, there's nothing else like it on the market that will do timber this size. I'd say 120cc, yeah, can't beat it.
That's it. But yeah, better balanced. I think upgrade air filter on there. Yeah, lovely bit of kit to use. Didn't struggle at all going through this wood, but standing out, nor did the 880.
There we go. So yeah, got more videos to come with this one. You know, subscribe, tweet, Facebook, sign up to us, receive all those updates, and we'll make sure we keep posting stuff like this for you. Thanks again.